Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hi students, hope you are all fine. Let us begin our class. The previous class I gave an assignment. Now let me give the answers for that assignment.
First one, I will post this letter. This letter will be posted by me. I have bought a watch. A watch has been bought by me. Sheila is singing a song. A song is being sung by Sheila. Ravi draws a picture. A picture is drawn by Ravi. I will have read a novel. A novel will have been read by me. We were selling vegetables. Vegetables were being sold by us. They like chocolates. Chocolates were liked by them. Now, let us see the next topic. The topic is statement with two objects. When the verb has two objects, that is direct object and indirect object, that is do, io. For examples, I am teaching English to the students. So in this sentence, I is the subject and teaching is the verb, English is the direct object, to the students is indirect object. So in this sentence, two object is there. So direct object always ask a question, what? Indirect object always ask a question, to whom? So now we have two answers there. First, you write the indirect object, the students. Next one, I am teaching. I am teaching is a present continuous tense. So here students is a plural. So write are. Teaching continuous tense, you must add being. Or being, next verb 3. Teach, taught, taught. The students are being taught what? English, second object. Next add by, then subject. I change into me. The students are being taught English by me. Another one answer. Here direct object English is there. Write English. English is a singular. So write is. Next add being. Verb 3 taught. Next is to the students. Then by me. English is being taught to the students by me. The king gave him a reward. The king is the subject. Gave is the verb. Him is an indirect object. A reward is a direct object. So first you write him. Him change into he. Then here past tense is there. Past tense you change into was given, were given. Here singular is there. So write was given. Next a reward. He was given a reward. Add by. Next subject the king. He was given a reward by the king. And another one answer. Now you write the object a reward. A reward was given. Here singular only is there. So was given to whom? Him. Reward was given him by the king. Our teacher teaches us grammar. So here as is the indirect object, grammar is the direct object. So first you write as change into we. Here teachers is a present tense. So is taught, are taught. So here we is the plural. So are taught. Next object is grammar. So we are taught grammar by our teacher. Another one answer, write grammar. Grammar is a singular, so is taught. Grammar is taught as by our teacher. So next we move on to statement with indefinite subject. What is indefinite? do not refer to any specific person or thing. They are not specific in which noun they replace. For example, each, everyone, somebody, someone, everyone, everything, no one, nothing, neither, either. So these words and all indefinites. Singular. Indefinite plural words, both, few, many, others, several. These words and all indefinite plural. So now we will see the examples. Someone stole my cycle. There is no any specific person or thing. Stole is a verb. My cycle is a object. So first you write the object, my cycle. My cycle is a singular. Okay. So here the tense is past tense. Past tense stole change into was stolen. So by, there is no subject here. So don't write by subject. So the answer is my cycle was stolen. Nobody can do this. So here nobody. Nobody is an indefinite singular. Do not refer any specific person. Can do. So this is future tense. This is the object. First you write the object, this. Can do. This is the future tense. How you change into passive voice? Can be done. So here nobody. Nobody is a negative form. So you write not. Cannot be done by anybody.
There is another optional answer for this. This can be done by none.
Somebody has put this. Do not refer any specific person or things. Has put. Present perfect tense. And this is the object. First you write the object, this. Has put. Present perfect tense. How to change into passive voice? Has been put. Already I told you, perfect form you use been. Has been put. This is a singular. So this has been put. This is the assignment for you. First one, Sudha told the truth to her friend. Santa Claus is distributing sweets to the children. They offered the job to Raja. Someone will call you. Everyone knows Gandhi. Someone is calling you outside your house. No one can do this. First 3 statement with 2 objects. Next 4 statement with indefinite subject. Totally I gave 7 sentences. You change into passive voice. I hope you will complete the homework before the next class.
தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.